I'm so happy that you're here. My name is Nicole and I already helped thousands of happy students in my serger online classes on how to sew full of joy and confidence with their serger. One of the most difficult topics while sewing with a serger is the thread tension. Especially if you're sewing a new stitch type or with a new fabric, the thread tension can be very challenging. For this reason, I have designed this very unique masterclass for you in which you will learn how to always find the right thread tension on your serger. I truly believe that if you get a fundamental and deep understanding of your thread tension, that it will never be a problem for you again. And this is exactly what you're going to learn here in this masterclass. Also, we're going to look at a lot of different stitch types and serger seams. You will learn how they are supposed to look like and what can go wrong with them. In this way, you can very quickly identify if something is going wrong with one of your thread tensions and how to solve it. I will also teach you a very unique step-by-step method that you can use if you're sewing with a new fabric, a new stitch type, or a new thread. With this method, you will truly always find the right thread tension on your serger, even for the most challenging fabrics. I stand 100% behind this masterclass and your success with it, which is why you get a 60-day money-back guarantee. You can just buy the masterclass, watch it, and if you don't like it, return it and receive your money back. I promise to you that after this masterclass, you will always be able to find the right thread tension on your serger, and you're going to sew on it even with more joy and confidence, creating the most beautiful serger seams. So please sign up now and learn to master your thread tension.